Okay, this is how to service this piece on the intensifier. First we put these rings. They last for about 300 hours of work. That's the first one. And here goes the second one. Okay, 1 and 2. Then we come to this part. We got this piece with this little notch, and this piece we put it here, and then we place this piece on this little hole here. We center it, and we get this screw and we put it here. Okay. Right. Here's another part we have to change. There's two sides. One is completely flat and one is a little bit curved. So you can see. So we put the curved part towards the inside. And then here we got these two little parts as well. This little spring goes here, and it goes upside down inside this little hole here. And then we just very carefully to keep we just screw it in smoothly. And that's it. We have to do this every 200 or 300 hours. And then it will go into the intensifier.